So if you are searching for 3D lights, superheroes, Avengers, definitely this video is for you. This is the second episode of a series of 3. The first one was related with Star Wars, the next one will be related with Transformers. Maybe in the moment that you are seeing this video I have already released the 3, so please check them out. But right now, let's dive down and let's roll the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to MedPack, where we unpack your next product. And hey, if you don't have subscribed until now to this channel, please consider subscribing. So for a long time that I wanted to do the second episode of these 3D lights, but I was always putting in delay because I wanted to do other videos. But right now I thought that it was the right moment to do it, so that's why I'm here to show you guys the lights related with Avengers. And here we have the first one, and this one is one of my favorites, is Iron Man. And this one is just the head, like you can see. On the side is saying Iron Man, another image of him. A switch on and off, when the lights are off, when the lights are on. Some more information in different languages. On the top you have once again the image of Iron Man, and on the bottom you can see the sticker of authenticity of this product and some more information. So let's open this product. So here we have the Iron Man, so you can see the mask on the front with the gold, red, some details in gray on the sides. The eyes will glow when you turn on the mask. It will not be so visible here. On the back you can see where is to put the batteries. Okay, it will come with the door, but you have to screw and unscrew every single time that you need to take the batteries off to recharge. So it doesn't make any sense for me to use the door in, so I decided to just basically remove the door and that's it. On the bottom you can see here the turn on and off. The quality is pure plastic, so it's not very resistant, so be careful about it. It's scratched quite easy, but in the end the look of it is really cool. Something to consider about when you put on the wall: the head is not completely straight, it's turning from one of the sides. Something that it don't bother me because I really like, because I have the other ones in that direction, so it seems that this mask is looking straight to them. So this is the head of Iron Man. I hope that you enjoy, but I have much more to show you guys. And here we have the second one, and this one obviously, what will be Iron Man without a hand? On the side is saying Iron Man 3. You can see an image of the hand when you turn off the lights. Obviously, like I said in the other one, I'm just going to show you the final product because it doesn't make any sense to show you the screws and the stickers. After I will show you when they are in the wall, but let's continue with this unboxing. So here we have the hand of Iron Man. The red is slightly different from the head, but it don't bother me so much. You can see once again the gloss finish on the hand. You can see the colors gold and red. There is nothing in gray like in the head. On the back you can see once again the door, and to have access you need a screwdriver. You have to unscrew this. So imagine doing this every single week, taking the batteries, putting the batteries once again. By the way, the batteries that I recommend is the biggest that you can buy and from good brands, and buy the biggest that you can. 2500 milliamp hours. Don't buy those ones with 800 milliamp hours, because otherwise you will have to recharge them basically every single 2 days. It will not be practical. So that's why I'm saying that these doors, it doesn't make any sense to have a screw. So FX, if you are hearing that, for the next ones put that. And here you have the control to turn on and turn off. You are able to see the light turning on the hand. I like that this light will be exactly the same as the head of Iron Man. Next one, the armor of Thor. So you can see basically the armor here on the side saying Avenger, what is in the box. So let's unpack this product. This box is a bit damaged, but it doesn't matter. What we want to see is what is inside. And here we have the armor of Thor. It looks quite cool. One of the things that I don't like is that this part have this gloss finish. I love the rubber finish like I said in this one, but I don't like this section here that you can see that is 2 parts in plastic that been assembled together. You can see here a gap, and that is something I love details, so it bothered me a bit, but it's nothing too spectacular. What we have, another door. Once again we need a screwdriver to open this. The door is out, and you put the batteries in here. So let's put 3 more. Put 1, 2, 3, and here on the back you will have the control on and off. I hope that you can see that it gets slightly blue purple. I don't know which color is reaching there for you guys, but it's just to let you know how it looks. After I'll show you in the walls. But this is the armor of Thor. I hope that you enjoy this one, but we have have more to see. So let's roll to the next one. Before I show you the next one, sorry guys, I stay without batteries on my lights, so I have to wait until the night to continue this video, but let's show the next one. And the next one is the Fist of Hulk. I really wanted this one to a specific place here in the living room. I think it looks better than I thought. On the front, obviously, you can see the fist. All the same information that you are already used to see on the other ones. On the other side is exactly the same once again. So let's unpack this one. And here we have the Fist of Hulk. Like you can see, it's quite big. If I put next to my hand, you can see the difference of sizes. On the back, you will have once again the door with the screws that obviously I don't use it. To turn on is in here, and when you turn on, you will not be able to see so much here, but you can see that all the hand will glow. And this is the Hulk. Last but not least is the shield from Captain America. I really like this one, but there is something that I would like that will be different. It's not the doors, I'll let you know after, okay? But in the front, obviously you can see the shield. On one of the sides you can see the shield when the lights are turned off, on the other side when the lights are turned on, and on the back you have all the information. The other ones, they are available. So let's unpack this one. The floor is full of boxes after I have to clean all this mess. And here we have the shield of Captain America. Like I said before, there is something that I don't like, is the size of it. I would like that it will be slightly bigger because it's not so realistic. Imagine the Captain America with a so small shield. You will need 3 batteries, AAA batteries, so they are smaller. So obviously the amount of time that you will have some batteries on this one will not be so long. And this is the only one that I recommend to put back the door. Otherwise, the batteries, they jump out really easy. Quite annoying, but it's okay. From all the old ones that I have, is the only one that I really need to use this door to maintain the batteries in place. Obviously in this size you can see the lights turning on and turning off. On the front it's slightly more difficult. I think you can see right now. And that's it, guys. And from Avengers I don't have anything more to show you. Besides that, what I'm going to do is now showing you how they look on the wall when you turn on and when you turn off the lights, and see the contrast between the light and the stickers of the cracks that you have there. So let's jump now. Question of the day: which one of these 3D lights from Avengers do you prefer? For me, I have to tell you guys that my favorite is the Iron Man, the head, not the hand, because we have Philips behind, and the battery consumption on this one, it's quite good. I have battery for days and days and days, and all the other lights I have to charge more often. But let me know which ones you prefer. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't have subscribed until now. Share this video with your family and friends, comment below, smash the thumbs up, and like I said in all my videos, you already know the answer. I see you in the next one. So like I said in the beginning.